Hello and welcome back to Colonial Airstream. I'm Patrick Botticelli and I'm at the Hershey, Pennsylvania RV Show 2023, and Airstream just announced 3 new models. The one I'm going to show you now is the all-new 2024 Airstream Interstate 19X, built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 series chassis with the 6-cylinder 3-liter turbo diesel engine, 4-wheel drive. It is available with the optional E1 package and optional all-wheel drive. The model we're going to take a look at today is the E1. So what that means is you have a 3200 watt inverter on board, dual alternators, dual DC to DC chargers, and a 12,000 watt hour lithium battery from Volta. It's a 48 volt system and it's converted into a 12 volt for the system components on the inside. Has a Carefree power awning, over 200 watts of solar on the roof. You have the power sliding door, has heavy all-weather liner on the bottom parts of the body, so when you're running through that mud and the rocks kick up, you're chipping your body paint. You got a freshwater tank fill here. It's an 18-gallon freshwater tank. You have 16 gallons of gray waste and 9 gallons of black waste. This has the Awning running boards. This is a retractable screen, and these are available very soon. You can order them now. This is a prototype we're going through, so you might see some differences in the production models. Check this out. I love this screen here. You could pull this up and you could pass things through. One of my favorite features is up front here. Check out this awesome front bumper. It's all aluminum. They got the Airstream name in. You got some KC lights here, which are adjustable. They line the whole grille and the hood on this. It has a very aggressive, rugged look. And this is the upgraded Mercedes Sprinter chassis, so you still get the power seats, the heated seats. This has the 360 cameras on board, adaptive cruise control. They really check off all the boxes. Up front here, it comes with an all-weather, rugged liner here that goes over the rubber floor. Airstream does a beautiful job upholstering these seats. Look at the ultra leather stitching here. They get the red accents here. They re-foam them so they're extremely comfortable when you sit in. There's also driver passenger swivel chairs. Let's head around back. Check out the rims too, and the tires. Very aggressive look, and it drives unbelievably well. There's a hitch in the back. You could tow up to 5,000 pounds with a 500-pound hitch weight. Open the back doors here. Look at this open floor plan. It's got L-track everywhere. It's got a rubber floor, insulated floor, heated tanks, but there's L-track. These upper roof lockers, when we go inside, you'll actually see they are removable. So if you wanted to reorganize the inside, you could. There's a little pocket for storage here. Exterior spray port, so when you're done mountain biking, you can spray off your bike back here. You got an outside outlet over here, furnace duct, a little light here. You got some ventilation. Look at these big fans venting that inverter system down. You got about 3-inch foam cushions over here. These lift up. They got these red straps. You get to more storage here. It's got a swivel table that you could assemble in different spots in this van. So the legs stored down here and the table's behind the driver's seat. Now this is an express tour because we are at a show, but oh, you guys are just excited as I am to check this thing out. So I'm gonna breeze through some of this stuff. Maybe later on we'll do a full tour. Over here you got some additional access for service. You got some more service access over here. This is actually these little bars here, because this whole back here, it makes into a bed. So what you do is you lift up these little flaps here, and here, and then you lay these backrests across, and you got a large bed. It's 66 by 72 inches. So there's a number of these aluminum slats here that you assemble, and got that solid back. Now, what's quite different about Airstream, this cabinetry is all plywood with laminate, so it's not like a sticker that's over particle board or melamine. It's actually plywood, Italian light ply with laminate, so it's very durable. You got a roll down insect screen here in the back, pockets in the door. Now that screen is also your privacy shade too. 30 amp shore power connection. You got the backup sensors built in. Exterior solar port, so there's one on this side and that side. So if you want to put some exterior solar panels in addition to the solar that's on the roof, you could do so. You have a city water connection, so if you want to hook up the campground city water, you can. Freshwater tank fills on the other side. This has the Truma diesel water heater and the furnace system. So this has the E1 package. What's one of the unique features of the E1? If you didn't get that package, which is $24,800, it would have a propane system on board. This has macerator, pump, and reel for your waste tanks, electronic wastegate management. So instead of going underneath the coach to snap a waste hose on, pulling handles, you can do it all electronically. And it has an outside shower with hot and cold water over here. 24.5 gallon fuel tank, diesel fuel. It's about 20 miles per gallon. And this comes standard with the 4-wheel drive and the 6-cylinder, but you can later on order and opt out to get the all-wheel drive chassis, which is another 20 grand, and you get the 4-cylinder twin turbo engine. This has 188 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque. The other chassis will have increased horsepower and increased torque. Let's check out the inside. Right away, the first thing you see is the fridge is right here, which is very convenient because if you're at the camp and you want to grab some beverages out of the fridge or load your groceries in, it's right here at the entry door. And depending on your liking, you could actually reverse this door. This is a NovaCool refrigerator. So you could take the hardware out and you could open it this way if you'd like, but then it'd just be a little bit difficult to get in from inside. Fire extinguisher here by the entry door. They dress it up with aluminum here. You get the D-rings for tying down items. Up in the cockpit area, 10.25 MBUX Mercedes-Benz display with the 360 cameras, leather wrapped steering wheel, adaptive cruise control. You get the shelf pockets over here. This chair swivels as well. There's the table, the swivel table that's stored here. You got some aisle lights, a furnace duct, porthole window in the bathroom. Open this up, you got a towel bar over here, a mirror with magnification, and the faucet pulls out. That becomes your shower. 5'9". Let's see how we fit. I got my shoes on. There's still plenty of room in here. Elbow room to wash your hair. There's a vent in here with a motion sensor light. It even has a clothesline that you could pull across and hang up some items and let them dry. There's even a furnace duct in here. It's got a plastic Dometic toilet dumps straight into the black tank, which is 9 gallons. Tanks are all heated in this. Gray and black tank are underneath the coach and have a heat pad built in. The black tank is in the body, so as long as you have the heat on inside the coach, you're protected. Aluminum ceiling, LED recessed lights. This has the max fan on this model. Solid surface countertop. Check out this cool little inlay with the LED light. Power door, I love that. When you're at the campground late at night and you want to get in and out, you don't have to slam the door and wake everybody up. It's so quiet, so discreet. This has Velcro style shades here for privacy, little pockets you can stuff your cell phone in. And then this has vent windows here with screens. Now, normally on a 19, Interstate 19, you got your galley here with your sink and your cooktop. What they did on this model is they actually put the sink on this side. So you got a little sink over here. You could put your induction cooktop anywhere you would like. Some of the really cool things that I see, you know, this is my first time seeing this, I just got here, is this little pocket here. Check this out. It's a porthole style window with a little cubby here, so you can put some items back there. You got a little light over the sink area, faucets on a swivel. This whole insert goes inside the sink, so you could use it, you know, all different ways if you wish. You got a little microwave here, 0.08 cubic foot contour, and then you got all your touchscreen displays here. So I could turn all the lights on and off from here, dim them, bring the awning in and out, do my HVAC. I can monitor my chassis battery, tank heater, water pump, fresh tank, gray waste, black capacities. I could do a lot in here. It's all touchscreen control. This looks like a service access port over here. There's some seat belts back here. There's USB and electrical outlet over here. Runs off the inverter. That's part of the package here, 3200 watt inverter. If you don't get the E1 package, it does come with a 2000 watt inverter and 200 amp hours of lithium batteries. But this has the mega 12,000 watt hours of batteries. Up here we got some roof locker storage. This I could access and control the Volta system, that's your battery bank. You have a cable outlet here, antenna booster, and this is all extruded aluminum in this cabinet structure here. You even have another touchscreen display and a battery disconnect over here. And then this bracket right here is for a little speaker. Wireless speaker you clamp in, you can bring it outside and listen to your tunes. Now, this is a game changer. I love this back here. Normal Interstate 19 just has a sofa across the back that folds into a bed and some roof lockers. This is a very flexible space. It does come with the privacy shades on both sides. This right here is a pre-bracket, so if you wanted to buy a swivel TV at a dealer, they can install the plate here so you could put the TV. There's a hidden drawer over here. Ah, there's the induction cooktop we were talking about, right? So it's in the drawer, but you don't cook in the drawer, you take it out and plug it in. This roof locker here, you could take all these out. This is a regular L-track. And you could take the whole entire roof locker completely out of the coach. Because check this out, you got L-track over here. You could L-track over here, you could load mountain bikes and different equipment in here. Such a flexible space. This one, the same thing. It does have cab area insulated blinds. You got your 13,000 B2 air conditioning. There's even L-track on the ceiling. I don't know, what, maybe you want to put like pull-up bar here. You could, I guess. All your fuses and breakers are over here. There's a nice size drawer, that's really nice. There's the table bracket here, another one back there. So you can put that one table in either spot. Let's lift up and check this stuff out. This is a service access to get to the Truma system. So this is for service only. This side here, got a little hidden cubby. You can put some stuff in there. Open this up. This is where we were in the back before, but this is the Volta management system. And I think that's it. And this whole thing's just one big bed. Or you could use it as twin beds. Why not, right? Check this out. That's plenty. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Patrick Botticelli, Colonial Airstream. This Airstream is available at Colonial Airstream. Telephone number is 800-265-9019. Our website is colonialairstream.com. And don't forget to check us out on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Till next time, see you later.